Now, many a times people who do not have a medical background have a trouble or have problems in understanding the instructions written in the prescriptions to them. So I wanted to familiarize you with few important terms which are commonly found in prescriptions so that you can understand those instructions better. So for example, you will find a very common term like OD or BD written in the prescription. So what that means? OD means the medicine needs to be taken once daily. BD means it has to be taken twice daily. TDS means 3 times a day. QID means 4 times a day. Now, if you find the term HS written in front of some medication, that means that medicine needs to be taken at bedtime. Also, you'll find another term like SOS written in front of certain medications, especially the ones which have to be given only if there's pain or there's fever, like paracetamol. So that means take it only if you have fever. So as and when required.